The Citan is in constant use in this city, and in busy city traffic, the rear bumper can get a bump or two. Should you replace the rear bumper on the Citan, lift the car to a convenient working height. You must remove the tail lights. They are held by 3 screws on both sides. Once unscrewed, disconnect the electrical connector. Four screws above the bumper are next, and then 2 more around the rear fog lights. With the vehicle a little higher, you get access to the next 2 screws in the wheel well. Do the same on the passenger side. Another screw is hidden behind the bumper, also on both sides. Prior to doing this, pull the plug of the Parktronic. In the last step, remove the 2 clips. Together with a colleague, take the bumper off. The reinstallation is carried out in the reverse order.